In this video, I will teach you how to export leads from Lusha. This is perfect for keeping backups, analyzing data offline, or importing your leads into other tools for marketing and sales. The very first thing you need to do is to go to the website lusha.com on your browser. Then, you just have to log in, which is right here on the upper right corner, using your credentials. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply sign up just next to login button. It's free for basic access. And once you log in, you can just navigate to leads section. Here you'll see all your current leads, organization, by name, email, and other details. And to export your leads, you just have to look for the export button. Depending on your version, it might be located at the top right or under the settings menu. Just have to click on export and you'll usually get options to download in CSV or Excel format. You can choose whether the format that suits your needs. It can be CSV because it is widely used for importing into other CRMs or email marketing platforms, while the Excel is great for offline editing and analysis. And after selecting the format, you just have to click on download and your file will be saved to your computer, usually in the downloads folder. And you now have a complete copy of your leads that you can use in Excel, Google Sheets, or other software. Keep in mind that exporting regularly helps maintain backups and keeps your data safe. You must also double check the exported file to ensure all columns and lead information are correct. And Lusha allows filtering before exporting so you can export only active leads, specific regions, or other criteria to save off the time that you have. And that's all there is today. Hope we help.